My name is Patrick O'Mara. I'm a technical advisor for AMPATH, and I'm the designer and engineer responsible for building the mobile diagnostic clinic. So when I initially designed the trucks, we designed them with a petrol generator. To operate an X-ray system, you have to use a very, very large petrol generator. So this truck had a 10 kVA generator. Fortunately, you only use 10 kVA of the power at a very small amount of time, those microseconds when you fire the X-ray. Something like solar is a much better solution because you don't have all the cost and energy wastage and pollution of running a big heavy generator. Sustainability to reduce pollution, to reduce operational costs, and even reliability, because we did have problems with voltage fluctuations of the generator, did cause trouble for us with the X-ray system. Putting in the solar system has saved us a substantial amount of money. So I've been aware of Chloride Exide for several years before we looked into this particular solution. The reason I chose Chloride Exide is because they are willing to work with you as a customer and adapt to your particular needs. You know, mobile diagnostic clinic is a very unique and difficult challenge, and it's also a very special circumstance. So they were very open, the team at Chloride Exide was very open to the technical challenge, and even for many years before there was any guaranteed sale, they were willing to do research and exploration and testing with us. You know, we took the vehicle down to the facility in Nairobi. They got some equipment in, we ran tests there. They talked to the engineers abroad with some of the equipment manufacturers and helped us be sure before we committed any funds that the solution would work. And then we were able to work with them to design the most cost-effective options and the most robust, long-term solution for the plan. So they're just much more versatile. Chloride Exide is much more versatile and flexible and works with the customers to design a solution that fits for their needs.